Alright guys, we're up against it today here. Still trying to figure out why we're not getting power out there, so I've had to get up here, but it was a good chance to help bring down the Christmas gear to enough for a small cathedral. Here, alright, up here. I don't like, I told Father I'd help clear out this stuff, paints and paint thinner and all this stuff up here. I don't think it's good in a high heat environment. But this is shaky business here right now. I got my meter here. I think I found the junction box. Let me sit this down a minute. We're in. Whew. Wow. All right. Alright, let's see that junction box right there. But nice vintage Kenwood right there. I don't know what this is. It's like a speaker. I don't know. This isn't the kind of operation that throws anything out. Okay, we got to get over there. So we're going to have to move those tubs. So let me go ahead and take care of that. That's not what you want to see, your friendly rats here. Wow. Some old original chandeliers, I guess. Pretty cool looking. I don't know where I'm going to move this stuff. This is like a, I don't know, square four or whatever, moving pieces from one place to another to get where you need to be. Man, this spiky thing for holding candles. Wowee. Okay. So I'm looking over here. Center lining. Trying to figure out where we're dropping down. Looks like I got to do the crawl to see what's coming over the top. I don't know. I'll check back with you guys. Well, immediately I'm seeing something that's ungrounded there. But, sure, this might be going through the front. Just have to check all of these connections here. Let me see if I crawl over here. This looks like the incoming. Have to check that too. That switches up. Providing light in here. I don't know what's going on over the top here. That's to that light. So I suspect that this conduit run is maybe turning and going over the top of the outside. I'm not sure. I might go over. I'll go over there and take a look. Just imagine being the slob that breaks through the ceiling here. Merry Christmas, y'all. Oh, you filthy animals. We got more wire running around up here too, so it's a good chance to just bite the bullet and trace it all out. Oh, man. I'm kicking out all that dust from up there, guys. I checked every connection up there in that junction box, of which there were many. Retighten them, and I don't know.